Understanding Crying Out in Fear, a Guide to English Expressions. Hello, and welcome to our English Learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very expressive phrase in the English language, crying out in fear. This phrase is rich with emotion and imagery, and understanding its use can greatly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and discover the nuances of this powerful expression together. Crying out in fear combines two key actions, crying out and in fear. To cry out means to shout or call out loudly, often due to sudden emotion or pain. When we add in fear, it specifies the emotion behind the cry, indicating that the cry is a result of feeling scared or terrified. Together, the phrase vividly describes a person reacting loudly because they are frightened or alarmed. This expression is commonly used in narrative writing and storytelling to convey intense moments of fear or shock. It's also found in everyday conversation when describing someone's reaction to a scary or unexpected situation. For example, in a horror movie, a character might be crying out in fear when they encounter a ghost. In real life, someone might cry out in fear if they are suddenly surprised by a loud noise in the dark. Understanding this phrase can help you describe fear more vividly in English, whether you're sharing a personal experience or creating a story. Using crying out in fear in your communication does more than just describe a reaction. It evokes empathy and helps the listener or reader feel the intensity of the moment. It's a powerful tool in language that can bring depth to your storytelling or conversational skills, making your narratives more engaging and relatable. We hope this exploration of crying out in fear has illuminated the emotional and expressive richness of this phrase for you. English is full of such vivid expressions, and mastering them can significantly enhance your ability to communicate effectively and emotively. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to helping you discover more about the English language in our future videos.